I got morning glory from my friends. It came a long way from Belgium. I call this dish ผัดผักบุ้งไฟดำ because no flame while cooking. I use only this seasoning for this dish. I'm not being paid for advertising these products. Roughly chop a whole head of garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use high heat. Add garlic and stir fry a little bit. Then move garlic to the side of the wok. Add another 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 2 handfuls of morning glory ready cut thin. Add in a wok. Add half cup of water. Cover quickly with the lid to keep the heat inside of the wok for 1 minute. Then turn over a couple of times to make sure all of it is cooked properly. Now add 1 tablespoon of shiitake sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soybean paste. Then turn over a couple of times so the veggies can mix well with the sauce. When the veggies are cooked, I get back your kitchen. Turn off the cooker, ready to serve. If you don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen, and you got only these 3 sauces, and some veggies such as broccoli, cabbage, morning glory, go for this dish and you won't regret it.ขอขอบคุณทุกท่านที่สนับสนุนช่องของเรานะคะ Thank you for supporting our channel.